Baby tray. The baby tray from Sean Overseas, a versatile and practical accessory designed to make mealtime and playtime more convenient for both parents and children. Crafted with safety and comfort in mind, this baby tray provides a stable and secure surface for feeding, playing, and other activities. Made from high-quality non-toxic materials, the Sean Overseas baby tray is easy to clean and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. Whether you are at home or on the go, this tray is the perfect addition to your baby gear, offering functionality and peace of mind. Specifications. Material: BPA-free, food-grade plastic. Dimensions: 40 cm x 30 cm x 5 cm. Weight: 0.8 kilograms. Color options: available in multiple color, blue, pink, green, etc. Attachment mechanism: adjustable straps for secure attachment to high chairs and strollers. Cup holder: integrated cup holder for spill-free beverage placement. Edge design: raised edges to prevent spills and keep items contained. Cleaning: dishwasher safe or easy hand wash with soap and water. Non-slip surface: textured surface to keep items in place. Foldable design: compact and foldable for easy storage and portability. Age range: suitable for babies and toddlers, 6 months and up. Safety features: rounded corners and smooth edges to prevent injuries. Warranty: 6 months. The baby tray from Sean Overseas combines practicality with safety, making it an essential accessory for every parent. Its thoughtful design ensures that mealtime and playtime are hassle-free and enjoyable for both you and your little one.